e gwenge go eko mag Nyanza en ni tich ma eyudo e yor mbui kwa manendo ochane koda ka Brighter Monday sani koro bro chako chenro mag pur kod ohala e gwenge go eko mag Nyanza ka koro gin gi lek mar chopo kuom rowere 10,000 mago e counties abich mantiere alwora mar nam Lolwe. CEO mar Brighter Monday migosi Emmanuel Mutuma ne owacho ni koro sani endi koro gibo chako chenro ma bende iluongo ni Vijana Na Kilimo, wacho mabe sani koro bro kelo achiel kachiel manendo konyruok ni jogo koma rowere ma gintiere e kind 18 kod 35. Chenro ma kamaendi en riwruok manendo mar Brighter Monday kod achiel kuom migepe ma ok gin mag piny owacho ma e piny nendo mar Germany.
Today marks a very important day for us as a region because we are bringing in 5 counties within the Lake Region Economic Bloc for the launch of the Vijana Na Kilimo initiative. This is an initiative that brings on board Brighter Monday, who are our partners, and GIZ, who are also our very valued partners. So the county governments, alongside the mentioned partners, are trying to find a solution in which we can capacity build our youth in the agri sector and also link them to the right kind of employment for some income.
Our target is the agribusiness because it presents the largest opportunity to create lasting impact within the region. Agriculture again controls more than the largest growing from a GDP nationally point of view, and that presents a great opportunity for us to maximize where we've identified this opportunity, and that is opportunity for growth.
Digitalization of training materials and introducing e-learning approaches, blending learning approaches and so on. And then we are also working on the labor creation demand side. We are working with private sector organizations and partners in various value chains in order to enhance their business, in order to promote business growth, which in turn again increases the demand for labor.